Okay, so y'all, sorry if the setup not right. I mean, this I just kind of just prop up the tripod and the camera and everything just so y'all could see this as it happened. It occurred to me after I already wrapped my finger, but y'all see what going on there? Seeing that? Okay, so if you have a weak stomach, this is not for you. Sorry, it might be a little graphic, so there's the warning from a little bit late, but this is the warning. All right, so right now this is my natural nails. It looks kind of jacked up a little bit, to be honest, but I really didn't bother to file the to make all the same shape, even though the side of this was chipped before I applied the acrylic over it, because I'm accustomed to long nails, and this was my natural nails was already short already, and I didn't want to file it down because to get this, you're letting them dogs and thing. Okay, anyway, to get my natural nails even, I'd have either had to add a piece here, and I didn't really feel to add a piece. And okay, long story short, I come to tell you about this nail. I have an acrylic overlay on my natural nails. Oh, that's dirty. Sorry. But yeah, acrylic overlay on my natural nails. And I just came out of the bathroom. Like I said, I'm not accustomed to short nails, so you know, feeling like I don't have anything on. And I grabbed the towel and I was reaching down to dry my feet, and I was kind of dancing, and I don't know. So in the process of trying to dry my feet, the towel, like my nail literally, I think it hit this side. The side of my nail hit my, this is my foot, and the side of my nail hit my foot like that and popped up. So because my natural nail had the strength of the acrylic, it caused my natural nail, so the entire nail plate, to lift with the acrylic. So now if I didn't have the acrylic overlay on my natural nails, my natural nail would have either bend or break. Cool? Alright, so what I'm gonna do, this is a fresh plaster I put on, by the way, and it hurts, and now it was numb before. Oh Jesus. Alright. Oh, these plasters are really good though. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you all the it is paining now. I didn't think to get a scissors. The scissors is not the best, but it will work. Alright. Almost done. Right. Oh, there's a band-aid. Fudge. Like, I want to show, like, the blood just fly up on me. Ew. Ew. It just, oh, I was saying, oh, Jesus. There's a Band-Aid brand of plasters. And they work. Oh, fudge. All right. Okay, I'm only doing this for you all to see what happened. Okay. All right, you could see it. The plaster came off, and could you see that? I could lift my entire nail is lifted. Like when it was numb, I could have lifted. Ooh, all right. Okay. Can you see that? Like, I don't know if you could see it, but it's Okay, okay. Alright. Okay, so this happened to me one. Oh, look at that, look at that. Alright, this. I am really dramatic on a regular, but you all don't know the pain. Alright, we cut it down, right? So cut it down to minimize the extra length. So this is going to keep hitting if it had the extra length. So we cut it down to minimize the amount of bumps it's gonna get, and I'm going to, oh, I ain't even gonna bother to clean this. Like it clean enough because I just come out of the bathroom. So I'm gonna get the next plaster and come back and just wrap my finger again. Yeah, like my chest hurts and like proper hurt. Like I have smaller bandages too. I just like I need a big one. I'm feeling serious, so I need the. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, so if I wrap this here, all right. Okay. Ooh. All right. Okay. See that? All right. Okay, so. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. I started to say this I think a few times already. This happened to me once before. I was coming out of a vehicle and trying to open the door or close the door, but my nails were really too long that time. It was like extra long. I couldn't function long. And I was trying to come out, open the door, and the nail slipped. My finger slipped on the door handle, and the nail, it was this one, and it slipped and popped up. But what happened that time is that my nail, I guess because with the blood and everything, it just became extra tacky, and the nail basically it just stuck back to my finger. So I'm hoping that's what happens with this one. So to help it along, 1, it's hitting, 2, it's bleeding, and 3, I don't want the nail to have to grow back. Like I don't want to have to start fresh with a brand new nail. So I'm hoping that this just sticks itself back down, and like I'll know if it's stuck by tomorrow, by tonight. But it hurts so much I'm not even gonna bother to remove the plaster to Jesus. Oh, all right. Let's put the patient down. I'm not going to bother to take the plaster off. I'm not taking it off today. I'm not taking. Most likely, I won't take it off tomorrow either. I don't know. I'll give you all an update. But I mean, look at that. Oh, see, this is why I don't do. I shouldn't be tapping that. This is why I don't do short nails. Damn it. Oh, you know what? Y'all wanna see me? It's like, do I put remover or acetone? No, I don't know if I have methylated spirit, so like, it's fine. You know what? Let me clean the blood out. It's fine. This wasn't even a proper video, but I, I am legit going to upload this as is. Yeah, this is what we're working with. I think I'm gonna cut these down because nah, I could do my like that. It just, yeah, like I can't function now, so I'm gonna upload this immediately. I don't even know the time. Was it? I don't know. Whatever day and time it is, today is the 22nd. It's like maybe 7 o'clock at night. Whatever. I'm gonna upload this now. Now. Today's Monday, by the way. Bye. Stay tuned for an update.
Yo, nail up. And we short homie like who fucks up a short nail? Like my nail's not long. Like and it's mine. Ah Jesus how. Like I can't even straighten my finger like this is as straight as my finger got without hitting. Like look at it. Look at that. Ew. My whole nail lift up. Like and all I was doing was drying my skin. Okay, so I clearly didn't upload the video like I said, right? But it's later in the night now. And look at that. Like, I think it stuck itself back because when like it hurting. But I just take like ibuprofen? Like am I supposed to say drugs and whatever? I just take 2 tablets and it's still hitting, yes. But it looks like it's the bye bye.